Welcome to Kubir Kushagra AI. We are actively developing an AI system designed to assist with stock trading decisions in the share market. While we are currently in an experimental phase and refining our engine, we are committed to transparency, documenting and sharing the outcomes generated by this AI system. It is important to exercise caution when considering these transactions and conduct a thorough research of your own before following our actions. The stock market is inherently volatile and losses can occur unpredictably. Therefore, making informed decisions is paramount. Please note that this video is for education purposes only. So, one of the stock idea that we have for today is Devyani International Limited. They're into restaurants, and if you see, of late, the stock had been declining, but now it has started to rise. If I look at the Bollinger Bands, the stock has just crossed the lower Bollinger Band. And if I look at the RSI is towards the higher one. So, considering this strategy in the past, we could typically make a profit of 30% in a matter of 150 days. But looking at the position right now, the profit may not be as much as 30%. However, this is a good buy at this point in time. We also have some news data in here. So the market sentiment essentially is positive, and the stock is right now trading at nearly 165 rupees. Although the target is 203, I think it is an optimistic one. But I think it's a good idea to buy this stock with a stop loss of 161 rupees. Some of the other recommendations that we had given earlier were Sri Renuka sugars, and this idea that we had given was on 2nd of April. And since Sri Renuka sugars has grown by 5.83%, it may have more upside to it, but as you see, the RSI index is also rising. So let's keep a watch on this. And one other idea that we had shared on 31st of March was Asahi India Glass Limited. Now, we had bought this, and ever since that, it has risen by nearly 12%. The target that we had set for it was 589, and we have already hit the target. But don't sell it right now. Probably hold it a little bit. But if the stock slides by 1% or even half a percent, then it would be good to book your profits and exit out of this stock. If you see the RSI, it has shot up. So the moment it starts to slide, it would be time to exit the stock, book the profits, but it would have given you 12% already. So those are the ideas that we have for today. Again, I want to emphasize that do not make decisions solely based on this video. Do your own research, and we'll keep you posted on how this AI engine performs. Thank you.